In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the universal trailer hitch onto a garden tractor. The tractor we'll be installing on is this Troy-Bilt Pony 42-inch, and the trailer hitch installs right here in the center of the back. The kit comes with all the necessary brackets and bolts and instructions. You'll also need a drill and some drill bits and a socket set. Now that the battery's out, we can get access. First, you want to install the main hitch part. Make sure that the main hitch piece is firmly pushed up against the back of the tractor. Assemble the remaining brackets like I'm showing here, and then tighten the bolt and nut down, but leave a little bit of slack so you can position the brackets. Next, you want to mount your sub-bracket assembly on the main trailer hitch, and to do that, you want to use your hitch ball. And note that the hole in the bracket is drilled for a 7/8 inch shank here on your hitch ball. So when you buy your hitch ball, get one with a 7/8 shank. Now that the hitch ball's on finger tight, you want to leave some slack. Line up your brackets for the best fit and then prepare to drill them. The bit size I would recommend is 25/64. Seems to work just about right. Note that I did have to take off the hitch ball in order to drill this center hole, but these two bolts that were partially tight held everything in place while I was doing that. Now that the third bolt is back in and I've got my hitch ball back on, I'm just going to make sure that all the brackets are still aligned the way they should be, and now I'm going to tighten all the bolts down now. You don't have to tighten them down super tight. You can just use a 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch ratchet and just tighten it down pretty good, and you should be fine. Now we need to get our battery brackets and battery mounted back in. Now with your battery back in, all you need to do is just blow off any loose shavings that collected here, and you're done.